Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Shit. Man, if you told me I'd get tired of putting bearings and locking hubs that I developed and was selling, and that I owned the market, and that I didn't have any competition, and I got a monopoly, and man, I'm supposed to be retiring. I'm supposed to be slowing my roll, god darn it. Anyway, been putting our Mopar spline gears in our locking units. Remember, guys? So, these locking hubs, factory style Ford locking units, but they're for that Ford spline. So, we got us a Mopar spline, so I had to make that gear to fit our spline. There's one of our yokes for like a newer Dodge truck. That one's tight. There we go. See there? And you can replace those cage bearings in there too, man. If they go bad, you can replace those. So, here's our Jeeps. Of course, here's your typical Jeep shaft. 4340, 35 millimeter bearing surface, 27 spline. .35 millimeter bearings go in the back. Man, isn't that some fit? And that's dry. So, shaft bearings, 35 millimeters by 20 wide. The Ford Super Duty only uses a 16 wide. And I run 20 wide on all of my stuff. And these are very special. These are lipped cage bearings. Can help keep that grease in. Throw you some WD-40 around there. Bearings installed, and there we have beautiful shaft bearings, and so you can keep those lubed from the front with your straw, but if and when they go out, you get to replace them. 35 millimeter, 35 by 20 double lip seals, available off the shelf. Knock it out, push it in, knock it out, push it in. You got it, boys. Man, there's just something about testing them shafts, though. You know, when it just slips in so pretty. Yeah, man. Them two machinists I got. God darn. Yep. Alrighty. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Jeeping. Bye.